Hello, so in this short video I'm going to show you how to install a quick, easy but mobile responsive Facebook social share button. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so here we are, we're logged into the website now. So let's go and have a look at what a blog post currently looks like. So we've got our blog posts here. And obviously, as you can see, we've got no share buttons at all anywhere at the moment. Okay, so let's fix that. So we're going to go into plugins, we're going to go to add new. Now for Facebook shares, then there's one that I've used quite a few times. If you type in Mashshare, I'll put a link in the description. I'm not affiliated with these at all in any way, okay? So I don't make nothing for you using this. It's up to you. You can use anyone's, but I've tried this one before and it works fine. I've used it on loads of websites. So if you just click on install now, there is a premium upgrade on this, but you don't need that for this. I'm just going to show you the free version and then activate. The good thing with these are they're really good on mobiles, so they work really well. They're very mobile responsive. Okay, so now that's installed, we're going to go to settings. Okay, so here we go. So under general, you can leave the first few here and then you go down to Facebook count. So you can choose whether it just counts the shares or the shares in the comments. I prefer to leave it on them both, but it's up to you. You can put a fake share count in if you wanted to. Don't really see the point of that, but you can if you want. You can just, so it just gives a fake share count. I would leave it. You can hide it. You can turn it off altogether if you don't want the share count to be shown. But yeah, so that's, have a little play around with that. But I would basically just leave it as is for there. Then in networks, you can add your Facebook page URL up here and your Twitter name there. And we're just going to leave it on these two for now, which is Facebook and Twitter. If we go to visual, round up shares, you can leave that on. That basically means when you get to like 1,000 or 1,000,000, so 1,000 will just be shown as 1K, greater than 1,000,000. Good luck if you ever get to that. They'll just be shown to 1,000,000. 1M, sorry. You can change the colours, but don't. Simple reason that if you change the colours on the count there, it won't. It will share the number, but it won't share the text. So don't do it. Just leave it the same. And then you can animate them if you wanted to as well. But again, I'll leave that. It's up to you. This is just the number count. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. Okay. We're going to leave that as it is. And then the position, decide where you want it. You can put it at the top of the post, both top and bottom, or just the bottom. I prefer to just leave it at the bottom. And I wouldn't change any of this either. You don't really want to be sharing pages, attachments and everything like that. Just leave it on post. This is like a blogging post share button really. Okay, so once that's all done, click save. And then let's go back to our post and we'll refresh it and have a look. And then now at the bottom there you can see we've got nice share buttons. Okay, so really simple, and this is the share count that will just go up each time there's a share or a comment or a tweet. That will just increase. But like I say, if you want to, you can turn that off for now, and maybe when you get to like 100 or something, you can turn it back on. But it's up to you. And then there we go. So it's all running now. Click tweet. There you go. I could have just shared that. That will go straight out. I can just share that straight to Twitter. I'm obviously not going to. And then the same with Facebook. I can just click on the button, and then that post now, there you go, can be shared straight to my Facebook newsfeed. Obviously, I'm not going to. But there you go. So I hope that helped. Simple and easy Facebook share buttons. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.